Hello children. Children, as you all are studying chapter 7, chapter 7 introduction to fractions, right children? Firstly, tell me which subject I teach you? Maths. Now, here is fraction. Fractions, right? Now children, as you all are studying this chapter, right, and today again I give you from this video that I give you the summary of this chapter, right? Children, as you all see the fraction, what is fraction, right? So you all studied that you think that what is fraction. This is the first name, right? This is the first word that you all were hearing, right? This is fraction. Fraction is simple defined as a part of whole. Means हमारे पास जो भी पूरा है उसमें से हम जब किसी को इक्वल देते हैं, उस डिवीजन में से जब हम किसी को इक्वली देते हैं, उस डिवीजन में से जो एक पार्ट होता है उस पार्ट को हम लोग फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. जस्ट लाइक चिल्ड्रन, हियर व्हाट इज इन माय हैंड? व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज सर्कल, राइट? सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज सर्कल, राइट? You all know na this which shape is this called? This shape is called circle, right? And circle are in circle are in like this yes, wheel of a car, wheel of a rickshaw, right? So these all are circles. Sun is round, then moon is also round, so this is, and it is in round in shape, right? So children, if I have this circle, then if I divide, okay, I have this circle, then means that this is 1, right? Now children, if Shubhanjali came to me and said me, ma'am, I want this half part of the circle. मैंने कहा ठीक है. So I make this half part and half part I give to Shubhanjali equally, right? One part, this one part I am having and this part Shubhanjali is having, right? So this part is 2 part, right? If this half part if I am having and half part I give to Shubhanjali, then what is this? How I write this? So children, this is right, means how many part total? This one, see, this is the circle, right? This is the circle. If I half part of the circle, then this shaded part, I take this shaded part with me, मतलब मेरे पास रहेंगे, and this is Shubhanjali, right? So children, हम इसको कैसे लिखते हैं? 1 means, see, how many part? 2 part are divided, so total 2 part under, and which part I am having? Only just see which part you are having. The which part? Yes, this. So half 1/2 is the half part of this circle, right children? So if this part is having, now children, if Shubhanjali, if Natik came to me and said me that ma'am, I also want this one part of this circle, तो मैंने क्या किया? I just keep the part of them, ठीक, मैंने उसका part कर दिया, and one part मैंने किसको दिया? मैंने रखा. So this is the half circle, this half, this is the 1/3, means this shade part I am having and this part is Shubhanjali. This part is I am having, this part is Shubhanjali and this part is Natik, right? नाउ चिल्ड्रेन, विच पार्ट आई एम हैविंग, हाउ आई राइट माई पार्ट. सो क्या लिखेंगे हम, टोटल हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स. तो मेरे पास कितना पार्ट है, कितना है टोटल, कितना है हमारे पास टोटल है 3 पार्ट, 1 2 and 3 पार्ट, राइट. दिस इज 1 पार्ट, दिस इज 2 and this one is 3 पार्ट, राइट. सो हमारे पास तो सिर्फ 1 पार्ट है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे 1/3. मीन्स दैट मेरे पास टोटल कितना हो गया, थर्ड 3 पार्ट है. थर्ड 3 पार्ट्स में से मेरे पास कितना पार्ट है, 1 पार्ट है, तो हम इसे 1 पार्ट कहेंगे, 1/3. हमारे पास कितना पार्ट था, 2 पार्ट्स था, राइट. और मेरे पास कितना पार्ट है, 1. इसी तरह से शुभांजलि के पास भी कितना है, दिस इज मी एंड दिस वन इज शुभांजलि, राइट. सो चिल्ड्रेन, शुभांजलि के पास भी कितना है, this shaded part is I am having and this part is Shubhanjali. So how many parts Shubhanjali also having, half part. This part is also, this shaded part is me, and in this part 2 children are there, so I divide 3 parts, so that's why 1/3 part I am having and 1/2 part 1/3 part is Shubhanjali is having and 1/4 part is Naitik is having, right. Now children, if I take Ayush Rajvanshi, right, came to me and said me, ma'am, I am also having, so I divide this circle into 4th part. This is the half part, this is the third, and this is equally which is having 4th part, right. So how many parts, see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4th part. So how many having, see over here, this is the circle, this is the, so I am having this part. So how I write this part, see, I am this is the circle and this 4th part I divided and this shaded part I am having. Then how I write my part, so कैसे लिखेंगे हम, कितने पार्ट है टोटल कितने पार्ट हो गए, 4th पार्ट, राइट. और कितना पार्ट मेरे पास है, मतलब कितना पार्ट इसमें शेडेड है, 1 पार्ट है, तो 1/4 part is I am having, right children. So this is about the circle, means this is the fraction of the circle, right. How to divide, and fraction is also called, children see over here, what is fractions called, fraction is defined as a part of a whole. See, a fraction is defined as a part of whole, right children. What is fraction, see that a fraction is defined as a part of whole. होल मीन्स कंप्लीट पार्ट, मतलब इसका कंप्लीट पार्ट क्या था, दिस हाफ पार्ट. तो ये हाफ पार्ट हमने फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में लिखा, मीन्स 1/2 के फॉर्म में. दिस इज द होल पार्ट, 1 2 3 पार्ट. इसमें कितना मेरे पास, मतलब कितना शेडेड पार्ट है, 1 पार्ट है, तो इसमें 1/3. दिस 1/3 फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. This whole part is the 4th total part, and if I divide it to equally, means children equally, the parts which I divided is equally, और equally में से जो उसमें एक part होता है, like that pizza, you like pizza ना, right children. What is pizza? Pizza में क्या होता है कि all the parts are divided equally, so that is the फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. और आप लोग उसमें से एक पिज़्ज़ा लेते हो तो उसमें से वो ट्रायंगल शेप का होता है ना, सो वो ट्रायंगल पॉइंट इज द पार्ट ऑफ दैट पिज़्ज़ा, राइट. दिस 1 part of that pizza is called the fraction. Now children, this another, see, What is this? This is page, right? Page of a register, I take it. But this is called a triangle, right? Triangle shape. Firstly, I rub all these things. Children, see, this is the triangle part, right? If I divide it equally into a square form, right? So how I divide it equally? See, right? This half part, right? Now this is the half part. See over here, 1 and 2 part. So how I write this? See, this is the triangle form, and I divide this and this part I shade it, okay, or I color this part, right? I color this part. See, this part I colored it. So how I write? 1/2. Why? Because this is the total part. Total part is 2. 2 parts is the total, and which part is the shaded part? 1 part, right? Now, if I divide this circle into this, so how many? Third part, right? So children, this is the if half, and this part is the 1 part, right? So if I divide it equally, right? So how I divide this? This and this one, right? So this is the rectangular part, so I divide it into the third part, right? 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3, and if I take this part between one, so how? Total 1, 2, 3 part, and which part is shaded? So 1/3, right? If I divide this into 4, then how? See, and see children over here that how many parts? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. 4 parts are there. So if I one, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4th part, right? If I take shaded this part, if I take the shaded part, total how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So 4, and which part is shaded? Is 1. ठीक? So children, total जितना होगा उसको नीचे लिखेंगे, और कितना पार्ट हमारे पास है और कितना पार्ट इसमें से हमें कलर करना है उसे हम लोग ऊपर लिखेंगे. ठीक, इसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Just see over here. This part is called half part. This part is called 1/2. Okay, it's called 1/2, right? And this part is called 1/3. And this part is called 1/4. So children, this is the end of the fraction, and these parts are, and these are the these are the summary of the fractions only. Okay, so children, keep doing your work and keep practicing, and thank you and have a nice day.